A very good morning, class 12. So today we are going to start a new chapter from the book Vistas. Although I have already told you about this, that today we are going to start a new chapter, a new topic. And I really think so that number of students have seen this chapter or they have flipped on the pages, and if not also no problem, today we are going to start with it, right? So this chapter is from the Vistas book called On the Face of It, written by Susan Hill. So let's discuss about the author first, and then we will discuss about what this chapter is about or what this talks about. So Susan Hall, born in the year February 1942, English author who had written majorly work in both fiction and non-fiction too. Susan Hall, she had faced a tragedy in her own life, and this tragedy has been disclosed in her semi-autobiography book also, where it has been focused that she had faced the loneliness and isolation in her life. So she had faced that tragedy actually, and the same thing she had tried to convey through this chapter called On the Face of It. So this is a play. We need to understand this is a play, right? So we are having two characters in this play, Mr. Lamb, who is an adult, and Derry or Derek, who is a child. So there is age difference between these two characters. Next thing, this whole play talks about various things, so we need to understand what it says. First, it says about sense of loss and alienation, need to overcome it. As I already mentioned at Susan Hill, she had faced these challenges in her life. So the same thing has been described about sense of loss or alienation, the isolation, and need to overcome it. Means there is a sense of loneliness, that feeling, but there is a need to overcome that loneliness feeling. There is a need to overcome that phase of life also. Then we are going to learn about physical impairment, the physical problem if any person is facing or anyone is facing, and the perspective towards that physical impairment. Perspective towards, first, the perspective of that same person who is having that physical impairment or physical problem. Secondly, the perspective of the society towards that person. So that we are going to learn. Next, human connection and openness. Then we are going to learn that there is an urgent need to create a human connection. There is an urgent need to pour out your heart in front of someone. There is an urgent need that there should be that bond between or among the people to face this life or to live this life beautifully actually. So this whole play talks about that. So now what we need to know about, as I mentioned, we are having Mr. Lamb and Jerry. They both are having same thing, or I would say they both are having one problem which is common, and that problem is physical impairment. That is the problem which is common. That is physical impairment they both were facing. So we need to understand. Next thing is here, as I mentioned about the adult and child, there is an age difference also, and even I mentioned that perspective of an individual or perspective of a society. So what problem first of all they had? Mr. Lamb, he had his one leg made of tin. Yes, he has one leg which is made of tin. Actually there was a bomb explosive, so he lost his one leg there, so now he had one tin leg, then artificial leg, and people used to call him Lammy Lamb also, right? Then we are having Derry or Derek. Same, he's also having the physical impairment, but the problem is his one side of the face is burnt. Yes, burnt due to an acid or acid actually. One side of the face is burnt. So both are facing the problem. How it is burnt, not mentioned here actually. So what we are going to learn it here, that this boy, this Derry, he had his burnt face and he had a negative attitude towards life. Negative. He wants to live alone. He wants to be live separated. He was not interested to be in the gathering of the people. He was not interested to be in the crowd because He thinks that, and he basically feels also that people make fun of him. They call him as ugly face. They feel pity or sympathy on him. Even he said that even his mother used to kiss on the other side of the face. On the other hand, Mr. Lamb, he is having positive attitude. Although people also rejected him, people are also not happy with Mr. Lamb. Even the people make him live separately. They are not the ones who are happy to interact with him. People who are not happy to make their children sent to Mr. Lamb place also. But he has accepted the truth. Still he feels positive. Still he had no bad or evil feelings for the other. And the same thing he tried to convey to Derry also. And they both are strangers. They don't know each other. They're having one thing common, that is the physical problem, the physical impairment. But incidentally they met. And there Mr. Lamb explained that how life is beautiful. He explained to him that we all are different. We should not compare with others. And this physical impairment is not a barrier for us. We can still achieve the things which others can achieve. He tried to give him the positive side of the life. Even he said the life is so beautiful. Even he said that the bees who buzz, that buzzing sound, he said even Mr. Lamb take that buzzing sound as a singing of the bees. So he accepted everything. So he tried to explain all these things to Derry. Actually, what happened, as I mentioned, Derry used to live alone. He noticed one big garden. He wanted to be inside, so he climbed their wall, as nobody was there. But it was the garden of Mr. Lamb. So Mr. Lamb came out as he was near one tree. So he said, "Why you have climbed the tree? You can easily open the door, our gate basically, and you can come inside." Derry was about to go, but Mr. Lamb stopped him, and they both started talking. Then they got to know each other, and Mr. Lamb had not shown any kind of sympathy or any bad feelings or pity feeling towards him. He tried to mold him that appearances does not matter, outer beauty does not matter. What matters is your internal side. You need to be happy and good from internally, not the outer. Appearances are not going to be with you forever. So all these stuffs we need to read about it. Cells of loss and alienation we need to overcome. As we talked about, they both are living alone. There is a need to overcome, as Mr. Lamb did. He was happy, but they did not. Physical impairment, both had problems of perspective, negative, positive, and how society takes them. Then human connection and openness, as how they both connected and how they try to open up with each other. So this is the gist, the title here. From tomorrow onwards, we will do the reading of the chapter. Thank you. God bless you all.